Hey beautiful babes, welcome back to the channel. Sweet Angel here. Listen, I want to send a big thank you to each and every one of you all over there on Beauty by Sweet Angel. You know, that beauty channel. Man, we have reached 267,000 beautiful babes. Y'all are amazing, and I certainly just don't want to just pass by this moment without saying thank you, and thank you. Yes, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And y'all, you're doing it big for me. And I also want to say, listen, y'all have been getting those Avon orders in as well. That is making my heart just bubble. Yes, I'm an Avon rep, and I want to thank Denise Moore. She gave me a big order, and I appreciate you so much for supporting all of my endeavors. Y'all are amazing again. Thank you so much, Denise, and I hope you enjoy your items. Now listen, let me just talk about the rest of the week past, what's been going on. Now y'all know I've been doing the skin polishing thing. Listen, I gotta share this over here as well. The Andula. This is a radiant skin polishing cream, I'll call it. Oh my God, this has been doing my skin so well. I just want to update you all on that to let you know that I love it, and I definitely recommend it. I will share my Amazon store link down below if you want to purchase your very own. As a matter of fact, my daughter Maddie just picked up hers and she loves it as well. I'm sure she'll probably let y'all know in one of her videos her experience with it. I have been loving it. I have done away with my foundation, so if you see me, girl, I am foundation free. Just a little eyeshadow, lashes, put the brows on, highlighter, blush, and keep it going. Absolutely. Now, another item that I wanted to share with y'all. Your girl finally got her a new little lightweight vacuum. I have dealt with the big old bulky vacuums for years, but I am over it. This one I got from Amazon. Of course, y'all already know the biz with me and Amazon. I love them. Yes, I do. The sellers on there have everything that I need. This is the Opposin. It is a cordless vacuum cleaner. Now, yeah, I know a lot of y'all done spent a whole lot of money on a Dyson. Girl, I don't need it. This has everything that I need. So I'm just going to do this quick unboxing just to let you see what I got here. Just going through everything here. This is the instruction manual. Show you this, that, and the other. I'm sure it can't be too difficult to put together, but you know, I'm going to read the instructions, make sure I get it right. But y'all, this again from Amazon. This is the Opposin H20 4P cordless vacuum, whatever that means, but it does have 120 watt motor on it, and we have been loving it. I know I have. You know, even when it comes to just easy pick up and clean up, you don't have to worry about a cord. This definitely does the job for me. It is great for cleaning up debris, dust, and even pet hair, you know, and even suitable for floors, your hardwood floors, your tiles, marble, and of course it sucks up quite easily even on carpet. So we've been using it all around. Even Maddie said she loves it so much. In case you don't know who Maddie is, that's my baby girl. That's my daughter, my little BFF. If you haven't been on her channel, go check her out, and I'll have the link below on Maddie's Glam Life. But y'all, it's super lightweight, less than 3 pounds, I do believe, and it has everything you need for, again, if you need to just vacuum off little small areas. It takes care of the job, and it is so cute. I'm just gonna spend a little time and put it together right here for y'all. It has a great long cord along with it, and this is just the base here that you sit it on to charge it up. So I am loving it. Let me just quickly put this thing together so you can actually see it. And again, I'll have all of the links below for you in case you've been needing a lightweight little cordless vacuum. So happy to have this. And here you go. It's all put together now, and very, very, again, small, convenient, and has the attachments that you need in order, like I said, to vacuum off the vents and all of that throughout the house. Super. And moving right along, an early birthday celebration for Maddie. Since we didn't really want to go to a restaurant, we did hook her up with some crab legs. All right, y'all, it's one of those weeks in which crab leg time. This is all we could find at Sam's. What happened to the Alaskan king crab, y'all? We need them back for real. It is Maddie's pre-birthday week. She is going to be turning 19, and what she wanted is a like a little seafood mukbang thing going on. I don't know if we're gonna be recording it or not, but we finna eat in just a little bit because Mama finna get ready to put this in the oven. Mike's got some corn boiled, and we got some eggs boiled. And Maddie and I just came from Juicy Crab and got our sauce, honey. And I also got her cheesecake. You know, since I waited too late to go to the bakery, she wanted strawberry cake. But honey, I might bake that myself. What y'all think? That's what I'm talking about. Day 2 of the crab legs. We couldn't finish last night, so we own it again, baby. So it's actually the day. It's Maddie's birthday, Thursday, January 21st. Got some wonderful wings from a spot called Debo's. Yes, and they are smelling delicious. They are lemon pepper. Yes, and they were delicious. Happy birthday to Maddie. Okay, one time for the one time. Your girl is ready for her baby girls live on YouTube. Y'all saw me. This is what I was rocking for sure. Amazon. Check out the link below. Hey, let's move on to the next day. Friday the 22nd. Yes, it was the next day. And this was after the birthday live on YouTube. And guess who's getting a chance to get used? Yeah, my Ninja, finally. Yeah, since Maddie got her braces, we'll be using this a lot now. Mixing and making her a smoothie. Got my bananas, vanilla yogurt, and honey, guess what? I decided to go with the mixed fruit. Yes, there we go. And also I put a little orange juice in it too. I really didn't have everything I thought I needed, but you know, I worked it out one way or the other. Excuse the messy kitchen, you know, we eat all the time, so we got dishes everywhere. But honey, I did hook it up really good for her. It was pretty tasty. I'm going to put a little zest and zang in it the next time around to really get it popping, you know, to really jump those taste buds off. But you know, we had a little something going on there, which is all good. Mama gonna make it happen. I guess she didn't want those ribs and beans that I had promised her. But maybe next time. But it was pretty good. Just a little something that was quite filling. This was actually late in the evening. As you can see, I have on my robe and gown, honey. Yes, I do. But we made it all happen. Teamwork makes the dream work. She cleaned up while I blended it all up. And honey, talking about this Ninja, yeah, this thing is all right with me. Once I plugged it in and pushed that button, look at there, look at there. Now my old blender would have taken 4 years to blend this up, and this thing whipped it up amazingly. This is my first time using it, so I had to kind of just test the waters with it. I actually didn't put any ice in it previously, so I put a little bit of ice in there just to really make it nice and chilled. And I tested all of the settings, and I love it. I love it. Now, doesn't that look delicious? Oh my word. Nice and smooth. No chunks. Perfecto. Love it, love it. Absolutely I do. Doesn't this make your mouth water? Yes, yes. Okay, so it's Saturday, and listen, I'm gonna let Mike take over now, okay?
Good morning, good morning. Should I say, it's not morning, it's like 11:30, just before 12. So I was back there like laying around doing nothing. Sweet Angel, she is asleep. My wife, you know what I mean? So I decided I would get up and cook some spaghetti. Don't it look great? And I said, well, I'm cooking spaghetti. And I like a lot of ground beef in my spaghetti. See, if I cook spaghetti, you really don't need no side meat because it's going to be in the spaghetti. Anyway, and I cooked a few yams. Yeah. Ooh, it's hot. Smoking. And a stick there, I have about 2 of them in there. There's some, what you call this stuff? Anyway, it's there. Oh yeah, cinnamon in there, cinnamon, and vanilla flavor, sugar, and I got to go get a little butter because she like butter. Put a little butter in there and put it on the side. And then, like I said, you really don't need meat when I cook meat, but I love sauces. You know what I'm saying? So I did sausages on the side. I baked them in the oven. Delicious. I don't claim to be a cook. I just love the way it looks. You know what I mean? Once I finish, hey, bye-bye. Enjoy yourself because I know I will enjoy my meal. Have a good.
All right, that was the last week or so. Y'all, I'll catch you on the next one. Take care of yourselves. Until the next time, like, comment, subscribe, and please share us with your world. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.